Friends, welcome you all to our YouTube channel Tea Talk. सफलता के आसमान पर चमकने वाले सितारों की जानदार शानदार कहानी सुनिए उन्हीं की जुबानी। देखते रहिए टी टॉक।
नमस्कार दोस्तों, हमारे YouTube चैनल टी टॉक पर एक बार फिर आप सभी का हार्दिक स्वागत अभिनंदन। मैं अतुल पारिक आज आपको मिलवाने जा रहा हूं एक ट्रेडिशनल डांस आर्टिस्ट से। जी, उनका नाम है मेहाजा कासलीवाल। वह एक कथक कलाकार हैं। इन्होंने मात्र 8 वर्ष की उम्र से ही कथक की विद्या को लेना प्रारंभ किया और उसी समय सोच लिया था कि उन्हें कथक की दुनिया में ही आगे बढ़ना है और कथक को भी आगे बढ़ाना है। इन्होंने अपनी शिक्षा रानी खन्नम जी से प्राप्त की है तथा अनेक राष्ट्रीय व अंतर्राष्ट्रीय स्तर के कल्चरल शोज में वो अपनी प्रस्तुति देकर सभी का मन मोह कर चुकी हैं। उन्हें अनेक पुरस्कारों से नवाजा जा चुका है तथा साथ ही अभी वह अपनी एक एकेडमी रन कर रही हैं जिसका नाम है मुद्रा परफॉर्मिंग ऑफ आर्ट्स, जिसमें वह यंग बडिंग टैलेंट को ग्रो कर रही हैं और कथक को सोशली स्प्रेड कर रही हैं। तो आइए अब हम वार्तालाप शुरू करते हैं, मुलाकात करते हैं मेहाजा कासलीवाल से। वेलकम मेहा जी।
Namaskar, I'm Mehaja Kasliwal, a Kathak artist. I'm so pleased today to be here before you for the interactive session with Shri Atul Parik ji, who's a very good friend. I would first of all like to congratulate him for his new YouTube channel and his show, The Tea Talks, which is an interactive session between with the different artists and celebrities. I feel really pleased to be invited here for this interactive session, and I'm really sure it must be fun. Thank you, Atul ji.
जी, आप कितने घंटे रोजाना प्रैक्टिस करती हैं जिससे कि आपकी जो एक कला है उसमें निरंतर सुधार होता रहे? बिकॉज लाइफ इज ऑलवेज अ लर्निंग प्रोसेस।
See, honestly speaking, there is no set format in an art form to get successful or to be a good dancer. Like how many hours, if you ask, I practice is not fixed. If I am not getting through anything, I could practice for 2, 3 or 4 hours as well. If I am through with something and I'm enjoying it, I could do it whole day as well. If yes, regular practice of course need at least 2 hours of time. May it be reading, may it be doing, may it be thinking. Thoughts always play an important role. It builds up your aesthetic sense in your art form as well. This is what I feel. So it is very important to give a thought also to what you're doing. Just learning and practicing and performing doesn't make you a good dancer. So you should be constantly thinking about what you're doing and what new and creative you can do with what you have in your hand. So yes, these are the things which really play an important part, and these are the part of practice sessions. And even the watching is very important. You learn a lot by watching. In fact, I have learned a lot by watching many dancers. My guru, Rani Khannam ji, who I'm blessed to have in my life. It's all whatever connected I am today with my dance is all because of her. So yes, practicing doesn't only involve your dancing physically for a certain number of hours. It should be a continuous process, and every minute there has to be dance in your mind if you pursue it as a career, or if you are into dancing, you have to be into it for the whole day, for every minute. You cannot just take dance out of your mind.
मेहा जी, ट्रेडिशनल डांस का एक अपना अलग क्षेत्र है। बहुत कम लोग इस क्षेत्र की ओर जाते हैं, तो ये आप कैसे एंजॉय करती हैं ट्रेडिशनल डांस को?
Yes, you're right. Classical dance forms has their own set of audience, and it needs a lot of patience, not just to learn or to pursue these art forms, but also to watch them. So yes, of course, there are particular set of audiences only who like classical forms, because they definitely need an aesthetic sense to understand these art forms. So yeah, there is a set of audience, but what I feel is an artist never performs for the audience. If I personally talk about myself also, I never perform watching at the audience. Why? Because when you like something, when you're in love with something, it doesn't matter that there are thousands of audiences or just one audience or no audience. You enjoy doing that thing with the same intensity. So for an artist, I feel it is the audiences, the number of audiences, I would say, doesn't matter. But yes, the acknowledgement from those audiences do matter, because yes, if you're doing something and if you're so devotionally giving time to something and that is acknowledged, of course everybody loves that and everybody likes that. So yes, they have their set of audiences, but getting love out of those audiences is more important than the number, I feel.
नेहा जी, आप अभी एक अपनी एकेडमी रन कर रही हैं जिसमें बच्चों को प्रशिक्षण दे रही हैं और उन्हें मोटिवेट करती हैं, तो उनको लेके आपका क्या विचार है?
Yes, I have my academy in Jaipur with the name of Mudra Academy of Performing Arts, and we are working from last more than 10 years, I suppose. And yes, it is working dedicatedly and consistently for the promotion of art and culture in the society, especially amongst youth. Because I feel Kathak is not only Kathak, I would say. Classical dance forms are such dance forms which are very much related and rooted with our culture and tradition, our history. So first of all, learning these art forms keep you intact and rooted with your traditions, with your cultures. And secondly, there are a lot of advantages, I would say. Like it helps you building up your attitude. It helps you get more discipline. It helps you build up your brain activity as well. See, our brain is divided into two parts: the logical or the technical part and the creative part. So Kathak is an art form which is both creative and technical. So it develops the both sides of brain, the creative side and as well as the technical side. So, and I feel that learning of these art forms should start at a very tender age. For example, if I talk about me, I started learning at the age of 7. So now that art form is immersed in me. It has imbibed me from everywhere, and I'm like, I cannot think anything beyond dance. Every activity, everything which I do has to be a dance content in it. Even if I'm cooking, I have that instinct of dance in my mind. So yes, that's very important. If we start at an early age, it's really always good, because it helps an overall development of the child. So yeah.
नेहा जी, कथक को अब आप और आगे कैसे ले जाना चाहती हैं, इसके बारे में आपने क्या सोचा है?
कथक को आगे ले जाना, see, it is the art form always which takes a human forward. कभी भी आगे बढ़ने के लिए आज whatever we are doing and whatever we are as an artist, ये डांस फॉर्म है जो हमें आगे लेके आया और आगे बढ़ा रहा है, और लोग हमें जानते हैं. That is because of these art forms, the dance, the Kathak. So yeah, the only contribution we can do in these things is we can make it more creative. We can add on our innovations and our work experiences to our learning experiences, everything, our experiences to these art forms, and make a new creation within the boundaries of the art form. So this is how we can contribute to this art, and yeah, just putting our inputs to it.
नेहा जी, इस कथक की दुनिया में आपका सबसे बेहतरीन पल कौन सा है? जरा आप ये हमारे सारे दर्शकों के साथ शेयर करें।
See, favorite moment for me in Kathak is only when I dance, and may it be stage, may it be studio, may it be home, anywhere. The favorite moment is when I dance, because I love dancing. So that, and I think that is the most important thing, because in your journey of your work or of your life, anything, there are hundreds of steps which come and go. Like, there are many good moments as well, there are many bad moments as well, there are struggles as well, there are achievements as well. But what important, the most important is the journey, what you are doing. I love what I'm doing, I love my Kathak, I love my dance, and so that is the most precious moment for me when I dance. Thank you so much, Atulji. It was a fun interactive session and I really enjoyed it, and I hope all of you, those who are watching, have also enjoyed. And if you like it, follow me on my Instagram page with the name mehaja_kathak, and subscribe my YouTube channel as well, which is with the name of Mehaja, Mudra Academy of Performing Arts, and you can find me on Facebook as well, and you can follow me there also. So it was really nice to be here, and all good wishes to you for further talk shows and for your channel again. Many congratulations. May you keep doing such good things, and keep inviting us, the artists, for such fun interactive sessions. It was great to be with you. Thank you so much. Namaskar.